So let's talk about pain in the bottom of the foot. Now there are a couple of things that can cause pain when you're looking at the bottom of the foot. A very common one is called plantar fasciitis, but we also have other conditions that can give us pain. Now two ways we can address this are by using a lacrosse ball to roll through the bottom of our foot. When we find a tender area, we'd want to stop and work through that one spot, either by pivoting our foot side to side, or we can lift and squeeze our toes up and down. Now we want to stay on this spot until the discomfort we feel is cut in half, but don't put your full body weight on the ball. Afterwards we can go through a big toe stretch where we're getting that big toe to move a little bit more. When that gets stiff, it can give us pain in the bottom of the foot. Just make sure to keep your other toes down on the floor. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe below to stay up to date with our latest cheerleading videos.